Hey there! Ever wondered who you truly want to be? Well, sometimes our self-image can hold us back from reaching our full potential. Dr. Maxwell Maltz, a famous plastic surgeon, discovered something fascinating during his career. He found that a person's self-image is more important than their physical appearance. Dr. Maltz developed a groundbreaking system called psycho-cybernetics to help people reprogram their self-image and achieve success. In this video, we'll dive into the key insights of psycho-cybernetics, including visualization and activating your automatic success mechanism. So, if you're ready to unlock your true potential and become the person you've always wanted to be, make sure to watch the full video, subscribe, and hit that like button. Let's start this journey together. Imagine your self-image as a special key that can unlock all your hidden potential. But what exactly is this self-image? It's basically how you see yourself, the kind of person you think you are deep down. This idea of yourself is mostly shaped without you even realizing it, based on things that have happened to you in the past. There are three main things that influence it: who told you something, how strongly you felt it, and how many times it happened. Think about it for a moment. Have you ever been told something so many times that you started to believe it, even if it wasn't true? Or maybe you had a really bad experience that stuck with you for a long time. These kinds of experiences can really affect how you see yourself and how you see the world around you. But here's the really good news. You have the power to change how you see yourself and create the life you want. Dr. Maltz called this special power within you the theater of a mind. It's like making pictures in your head of the person you want to be and imagining yourself in that new role. By doing this, you can start to change how you think about yourself and what you believe is possible for you. The trick is to create these mental pictures in your mind with as much detail as possible, focusing on little things like what you see, hear, and feel in your imagined world. With practice, you might start noticing yourself acting in new ways, almost without thinking about it. So take a moment to think about it. What kind of person do you really want to be? What are your big dreams and goals? By using the power of your self-image, you can actually make these things happen. Another important thing to understand from psycho-cybernetics is your automatic success mechanism. Dr. Maltz figured out that our subconscious mind isn't something separate from our conscious mind. Instead, it's like a powerful engine inside us that's always working to help us reach our goals. Basically, we don't have two different minds, we just have one. And it's this one mind that controls our automatic success mechanism. This discovery has some really big implications for how we can achieve what we want in life and make things better for ourselves. Understanding and using the power of this automatic success mechanism can help us make our dreams come true and reach our full potential. Once you know what you want to achieve, you just have to trust that this mechanism will help you figure out how to make it happen. First, think of a goal, even if it's not super specific, and keep it in your mind. If you really want to reach that goal and start thinking about it a lot, your brain's creative side gets to work. It looks through all the stuff you've learned and experienced before to find a way to solve your problem. This happens without you even realizing it, in the background of your mind. You might suddenly come up with the answer when you're not even thinking about it, like when you're in the shower or out for a walk, or even in a dream. But when the answer pops into your head, you'll know it's the right one. That's the automatic success mechanism at work, helping you achieve your goals in ways you might not have even thought of. You can trust your automatic success mechanism to help you achieve your goals because the solutions you need are already inside you. The key to unlocking this mechanism is your imagination. See, we don't act or fail to act because of how strong our willpower is, like many people think. It's actually our imagination that plays the biggest role. Your imagination is like a map for your success mechanism, giving it a clear direction to follow. The more clearly and specifically you can imagine your goal, the better your success mechanism can work to make it happen. But what if you're feeling stuck or don't know where to start? That's when your success mechanism can really shine. You can give it a problem to solve or a task to figure out, and it will work on it in the background while you go about your day. Then, when you least expect it, it'll come back with solutions you might never have thought of on your own. So, trust in your imagination and let your success mechanism do its thing. Sometimes our beliefs that hold us back can stop us from reaching our goals. But the good news is, you have the power to break free from these limiting beliefs. One of the best ways to do this is by using rational thinking. When we take a close look at our beliefs and question them with logical thinking, we can swap out old limiting beliefs for new ones that empower us. You can't really believe two opposite things at once, so it's important to challenge those false beliefs and replace them with ones that actually help you reach your goals. Dr. Maltz found out that our actions and feelings are based on what we think is true about ourselves and the world around us. So, if we want to change how we act and feel, we've got to start by changing what we believe. That's why it's super important to question those false beliefs and switch them out for new ones that match up with what we want to achieve. And one way to do that is by exposing ourselves to new ideas, people, experiences, and mentors who can help us see things in a different light. Once you've figured out a new truth and swapped your old beliefs for new ones, your self-image will transform. Then, your success mechanism kicks in to make your new beliefs a reality. It's important to understand that feeling like a victim isn't something our unconscious mind does to us. It actually comes from our conscious thinking mind. It's our conscious mind that makes decisions and chooses which goals to focus on. So, if we want to stop feeling like victims of our past or false beliefs, we've got to change our conscious thinking and stop letting the past control us. But just changing our thoughts isn't always enough. We need to really, deeply want the change and feel strong emotions about it to truly transform our beliefs and actions. When we combine clear thinking with strong desire and emotions, we can break free from our limiting beliefs and start shaping a new reality for ourselves that matches up with our true potential. Have you ever had a day when everything just seemed to go right and you felt like you could do anything? That amazing feeling of confidence and success is what Dr. Maltz calls the winning feeling, and it's super important for reaching our goals. When our automatic success mechanism is working well, we naturally feel that winning feeling. But what if we're not feeling it? That's when visualization comes in handy. By imagining ourselves achieving our goals and feeling that winning feeling, we can actually make it happen for real. And when that feeling is strong, we can do almost anything. So, if you want to feel that winning feeling and keep it going, start by picturing your success and feeling it as strongly as you can. Think back to a time when you felt successful before, even if it was just a small win. The important thing is how good it felt. By replaying that moment in your mind and imagining all the little details, you can bring back that feeling and use it to push yourself towards even more success in the future. The more you can remember and imagine, the better. Think about how you felt back then and try to feel those same emotions now. Take that feeling of success and apply it to what you're working on right now. Picture yourself already achieving your goals. Imagine how you'd act and feel if you were already successful. By doing this, you can make that winning feeling real. Don't stress too much about it. Pushing too hard can actually slow you down. Instead, focus on seeing yourself reaching your goal and feeling successful. Your automatic success mechanism will kick in and help you find the right steps to take. Trust the process and let your mind do the work. Don't try to force yourself to succeed with just willpower. It's important to relax and believe in your automatic success mechanism. Imagine what you want to achieve and let your subconscious take over. This way, you can avoid inner conflicts and concentrate on reaching your goals. It doesn't mean you won't have to work hard, but when you let your subconscious work alongside your conscious mind, your efforts become more focused and effective. Trusting your subconscious and letting it do its job can lead to surprises and breakthroughs on your journey to success. Dr. 𝐷𝐷𝐷 believed happiness is a skill you can learn. One main reason for feeling unhappy, he said, is taking things personally when they're not about us. By realizing this, we can distance ourselves from negative feelings and focus on the good stuff in life. This habit of being happy helps us stay positive, no matter what's going on around us. When we consciously choose to see the good things in life and let go of negative thoughts, we can train ourselves to be happier and more content people. We humans work best when we have a clear goal to aim for. It's in our nature to strive for things, and when we're making headway towards something we really want, we feel happy and satisfied no matter what's going on around us. That's why it's crucial to have a sense of purpose and direction in life. When we feel like we're moving forward with our goals, we feel accomplished and content. And guess what? Feeling this way makes us even happier and healthier overall. By concentrating on what we want and working hard to achieve it with passion and determination, we can build a habit of happiness and lead a more fulfilling life. Dr. 𝐷𝐷𝐷 tells us to always stay positive and focused on our goals, no matter what's happening around us. This means we need to be proactive and keep this attitude going, both in our daily lives and in our thoughts. When we imagine ourselves dealing with tough situations smartly and confidently, we're actually training ourselves to face challenges head-on instead of avoiding them. Remember, we have control over our thoughts and feelings. Nobody else can decide how we react to things. Waiting for things to be perfect before being positive is pointless because every day has both good and bad parts. Instead, we can pick what we want to focus on and decide if we want to see things optimistically or pessimistically. By purposely choosing positive thoughts and concentrating on our goals, we can make being happy a habit and live a more satisfying life. In the book, Dr. 𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷 talks about making a quiet room inside our minds, a calm and peaceful place we can go to when life gets overwhelming. This room is something we create in our imagination and acts like a mental and emotional getaway spot when we need it. Imagine having a special room inside your mind where you can escape from all the stress and worries of daily life. In this room, you can let go of all the tension and recharge your energy, just like taking a deep breath of fresh air for your mind and soul. When you come out of your quiet room, you'll feel refreshed and ready to face any challenges that come your way with a new sense of energy and determination. So, take a moment to picture and create your own quiet room in your mind. You'll be surprised at how much it can help you deal with the ups and downs of life. Always remember that how you see yourself is super important for reaching your full potential. With techniques like visualization, trusting your inner success mechanism, using rational thinking, and making happiness a habit, you can make your dreams a reality. To get started, first, figure out what your big goal is. Then, use your imagination to picture yourself already reaching that goal. It's important to believe in your inner success system and let your subconscious mind do its job while staying focused on your goal and keeping a positive mindset. By doing all of this, you can unlock your full potential and become the person you've always wanted to be. So, start practicing these methods right away and see how your life changes into the one you've been dreaming of. Building resilience is essential for navigating life's challenges and setbacks while maintaining a positive self-image. Embrace failures and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than viewing them as reflections of your worth or abilities. Cultivating resilience enables you to bounce back stronger from adversity and reinforces your belief in your capacity to overcome obstacles on your path to success. Prioritizing self-care is crucial for nurturing a positive self-image and overall well-being. Make time for activities that nourish your body, mind, and soul, whether it's through exercise, meditation, hobbies, or spending quality time with loved ones. By honoring your needs and taking care of yourself, you reinforce the message that you are worthy of love, care, and respect, both from yourself and others. Pay attention to your internal dialogue and challenge any negative self-talk that undermines your confidence and self-esteem. Replace self-critical thoughts with affirmations and statements that uplift and empower you. By reframing negative narratives and focusing on your strengths and accomplishments, you cultivate a more compassionate and supportive relationship with yourself. Celebrate your progress and achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Acknowledge your efforts and accomplishments along the way and take pride in the steps you've taken towards your goals. Celebrating your progress reinforces a positive self-image and motivates you to continue striving for excellence in all areas of your life. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude by regularly expressing appreciation for the blessings and opportunities in your life. Take time to reflect on the people, experiences, and resources that contribute to your growth and well-being. By focusing on gratitude, you shift your perspective towards abundance and cultivate a deeper sense of fulfillment and contentment in your life journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. We've also handpicked some videos for you to check out next. Thanks for watching the whole video, and we will catch you next time.